Hello guys, today I will teach you how to upload your GitHub project or a web development project on your GitHub site so that you can see on a live browser when you search for your website, or you have to see, if you have to see your website on a live browser, then you can see this tutorial. So basically you have to upload this project on GitHub by clicking on a new. When you will repository, if you will click on a new repository, then you can see that it is having a repository name which you have to give. So here we will give hello world, hello world, hello world repository name. After you don't have to make any changes on your own, then you will create repository. After creating repository, here is an option get started. You can see that here is an option. It says that you can upload an existing file. So I will choose and upload an existing file. I will choose my file from here where I have saved my file. This is my file, and I will not do anything. I will just click on commit changes. After this, you have to click on a settings. After clicking on a settings, you can see in the left corner you can see a pages. You have to click on a pages, and branch. You have to select a branch which should be main, and save it. And go to your hello world. After some time, your project will be seen on live server. So somewhere there is your link which will be provided. It will take some time to deploy until you have to wait, and after some time we will see a link which will be over something here, somewhere around here. After clicking on that link, we will be able to see our HTML file. So let's suppose go to your main screen. It is not showing your repository. Now you can see what I am doing is here. After you have done all the steps which I have told you before, you have to click on your profile section, and you have to click on your repositories. After clicking on your repository, you can see the hello world which I have created. So you have to click on hello world to go to the file, and here I will click on settings, and I will move to the pages. Now you can see that there is your link which is here. You have to click. You can see that hello world, what I have written in my code is hello world, so it is printed on your screen. When your site will be on live page, then you can see this on your GitHub account. Just you have to follow those steps which I have told you, and it will be easily done. Thank you.